Good morning, boys and girls. This is going to be Envision Topic 2, Lesson 2. And in today's lesson, we are going to explore patterns when we're multiplying by 9, okay? So let's look at our solve and share. And remember, if I click this up here, it's going to read the problem to me.
Maria bought 4 packages of bottled water. There are 9 bottles in each package. How many bottles did Maria buy? Explain how you solved this problem.
Okay, now it looks like to me that they have set up for you to continue an array. But that's something that takes a really long time to do because you just have one row of 9 and you have to complete 4 rows of 9. So that could take you a really long time. So what I'm going to show you in this solve and share is another way that you can look at 9s and their patterns, okay? So we know that my multiplication equation is 4 groups of 9. So my equation for this problem is 4 times 9, right? Well, you really can't skip count by 9s because you've not really worked on that much. So let's look at 1 times 9. And we know when we multiply something by 1, it's always the number that you're multiplying it by. So 1 times 100 is going to be 100. So 1 times 9 is 9, right? Now, let's look at 2 times 9, okay? And in order to find 2 times 9, I start at 9 and I count up 9 more. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 2 times 9 is 18. Let's notice something with our patterns here, okay? In 1 times 9, you don't have any in your tens place. So when you go from 0 to 1, you're going up and increasing by 1. Well, let's look at our ones place. When you go from 9 to 8, you're decreasing by 1, okay? So let's look at 3 times 9. When I look at 3 times 9, let's look at my tens place. My tens place is 1 for 2 times 9. So if I increase and go up 1, my tens place is going to be 2. But in my ones place, I decrease. So I'm going to go from 8 to 7. So 3 times 9 is 27. Now let's look at 4 times 9. In my tens place, remember, I go up by 1. So what's the number after 2? That's right, it's going to be 3. And then I look at my ones place. What's the number below 7? That's right, it's going to be 6. So 4 times 9 is 36. So that's one way that you can use patterns to answer any equation you are multiplying by 9. You're also welcome to draw equal groups or rows in here, just as long as you can explain your answer. You're going to do the convince me part as well. You'll do the visual learning. And then you're also going to do your student workbook page that your parents are going to take a picture of, okay? And that's all you have to do for today's lesson.